How much are delays costing you? Have you ever calculated the losses you face from poor route management? An average container delay of 3 to 5 days can cost you thousands of dollars, depending on the goods and downtime penalties. Another 15 to 20% are extra costs caused by poorly planned routes, and needless route changes lead to 5 to 10% of cost increases. Finally, 4 to 8% of companies' annual turnover is wasted due to inefficient supply chain management and organization. Now you see how poor logistics management is holding you back. Day by day you face unclear transit time, high transportation costs, delays, incorrect calculations, market blindness, and see no way to compare delivery options to choose the best. Let's find out how to prevent delays and mistakes from ruining your reputation. A tool that provides live calculations of transit time and distance, accurate forecasts, compares trade routes, avoids delays, reduces the cost of shipping by sea, rail, road, and air, and much more at once. Welcome the Distance and Time Robust Calculator, your accurate delivery forecasts. Only a few clicks to reduce costs and finally keep shipping in line with the budget. The guesswork will cost you too much. Instead, enter just the points of origin and destination. Get the distance and transit time data and route visualized on the world map. Avoid delay costs. It is always better to have clear calculations. Know the exact distance details and transit times to make profitable decisions. Forget about limits. Choose flexible multimodal. Let the tool help you with multiple transport modes: sea, road, rail, and air. Compare the best options by transit time and costs. No more staying in the past. Get real-time updates from the major shipping lines and carriers. Compare and choose the most suitable option for your shipments. Leave chaotic supply chain management behind. Integrate the distance and time for all updated for local or international trade. No extra development is needed to integrate the tool as a web or connect to the API. Enjoy a quick setup of critical shipping data in one place, your own website or system. Be ready for the precision in every shipment. SeaRates Distance and Time.